Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Our viewers, today our topic is biotechnology. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is the use of technology to develop new products, methods, and organisms intended to improve human health and society. Biotechnology, often referred to as biotech, has existed since the beginnings of civilizations with the domestication of plants, animals, and the discovery of fermentations. Early application of biotech led to the development of products such as bread and vaccines. However, the discipline has evolved significantly over the last century in a way that manipulate the genetic structures and biology, bio, cellular processors of living organisms. The modern practice of biotechnology draws from various disciplines of science and technology, including the following: molecular biology, chemistry, bionics, genetics engineering, nanotechnology, information. This approach has results in innovations and breakthrough in the following areas: medicines and therapeutics that, that prevents and treat disease, medical diagnostics such as pregnancy test, biofuels that are sustainable, reducing waste and pollution, and genetically modified organisms that lead to more efficient and coefficient agriculture. Modern applications of biotechnology work most often through genetics engineering, which is also known as recombinant DNA technology. Genetics engineering works by modifying or interacting with the genetics and cell structures. Every cell in an animal or plant contains genes that produce proteins. It's those proteins that determine the characters of the organisms. By modifying or interacting with the genes, scientists can strengthen the characteristics of an organism or create an entirely new organism. These modified and new organisms may be beneficial to humans, such as crops with higher yield or increased resistance to drought. Genetics engineering also enable the genetics modifications and cloning of animals through conventional developments. History of biotechnology begins at least 6,000 years ago with agricultural revolutions. This early era was characterized by exploiting live organisms in their natural forms or modifying their genetics back up through selective breeding. Around the same time, humans learned to harness the biological process of fermentation to procedure bread, alcohol, and cheese. People also began changing the genetics makeup of domesticated plants and animals through the selective breeding. Selective breeding works by breeding parents with desirable characteristics to express or eliminate certain genetic characteristics in their offering or time. Species that are selective bred evolved to be different from their valid ancestors. For instance, during the agricultural revolutions, wheat was selectively bred to stay on its stem when harvested.